Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Very good afternoon. You're watching this special coverage of the elections. You're now watching Your Stocks on CNBC TV 18. I'm Ekta Batra and with me is Nigel D'Souza. And we're holding on to the gains that we managed to recover from in the early morning trades. So currently at around 10,400 odd. We haven't really built on the momentum of around 83 odd points higher for the Nifty and around 250 odd points for the Sensex. There seems to be maybe a little bit of trepidation in terms of the margin of votes which have been won by the BJP in Gujarat, but nonetheless it is a steady, strong reversal that we saw and stabilization at those levels. But first up, let's take you through the top stories that we're tracking, and then we're going to talk about what's happening in terms of specific stocks as well. So first up, here's the look at the top stories. BJP is set to romp home in both Gujarat as well as Himachal Pradesh. However, the margin of victory is lesser than the previous majority in Gujarat.
And the market survives an initial scare. The Sensex recovers over 1,000 points in intraday, in line with clarity in the Gujarat polls. Nifty trades above the 10,400 mark, while the mid-cap index and the Nifty Bank gain closer under % each.
CNBC TV 18 learns that the government will seek a parliamentary nod for public sector bank recapitalization today. The quantum of FY18 recap bonds may range between 60 to 70,000 crores. Okay, well, those were the top stories that we're tracking, and this afternoon we have Prakash Gaba as well as Gaurang Shah to answer all of your questions. Gaurang on the fundamentals and Prakash, who is joining in on the technicals. Afternoon, gentlemen. Well, it's turning out to be a good session, and I'm sure we have a lot of queries today. So first up, we have Rita, who writes to us from Pune. She holds 300 shares of Gujarat Pipavav at 164 since the past 10 months, and she's a short-term investor, wants to know whether to hold or sell. So currently sitting on a loss in terms of her holding for Gujarat Pipavav. So Prakash, I'm going to come to you first on this, since Rita has a short-term view on the stock. What would you recommend to her?
Two things. A, basically the structure is weak, so it's coming down. So he needs to first protect it with a stop below 125. If that breaks out, and if it does not break, it might go up from here. Very good chance it can climb to somewhere closer to 180 zones. For that, she needs to just A, hold with a stop, B, add if it crosses 150 zones. Then it tells you that it's going up.
Okay, all right. That's the view coming in on Gujarat Pipavav. But let's go to our next query. We have Rajashri, who writes to us from Bengaluru. She wants to invest 30,000 rupees in Torrent Power for the long term. Wants to know when is the right time to get into the market. Let's go across to Gaurang, I think. Gaurang, let's come across to you for this one. Long-term investor, 30,000 rupees. Has she selected the right stock?
Thanks, Nigel, and good afternoon all of you all. We are extremely positive on two companies in the power generation, and that is Tata Power and NTPC. On Torrent Power, I can't comment specifically because we don't have coverage, but my sense is that if your time horizon is, say, 1.5 to 2 year plus, then both Tata Power as well as NTPC looks very promising, especially Tata Power, because we believe that the Mundra UMPP resolution is just around the corner, and on NTPC it is one of the largest power generator, and the power policy that the government has put in place would benefit all the power manufacturing companies, including Tata Power and NTPC.
Okay, Prakash, would you have a view on Tata Torrent Power?
I will say yes, might come down a bit. The best place to enter is between 210 to 230 zones. That's a zone. If it comes down, you add it because already up there and into some kind of a correction. If the correction lasts longer, then you add it there. Otherwise, stay out.
Okay, all right. So that's the view then on Torrent Power. But on that note, let's do one thing. We'll slip into a short break. You come back, we'll continue our focus on the markets, and we'll also continue answering all your queries.